This is section 3.3. It's on the angle addition postulate. This is recall. This is our segment addition postulate. If you have 3 points that are collinear and 1 point is between the other two, then the length of the little segment plus the length of the other little segment equals the length of the big segment. So remember this type of problem. From A to B, they're telling you that that's 12 units. And from B to C, they're telling you that's 5 units. There's actually 3 segments here. You know the 2 little ones. Or is it from A to C? $17. Just add the 2 littles. Now on this next one, again, we have a diagram with 3 segments. They're telling you from A to C, that's your big segment, has a length of 11. D to C, they're telling you is 6. How far is it from A to D? Remember, it's still the 2 littles adding together to give you the big. So 5 plus 6 gives you 11. If you don't know where the 5 came from, really what you're doing is you're subtracting. When you have the big segment, subtract the little segment to get the other little one. We're going to do the same thing today as the segment addition postulate, except we're going to use angles. So if you look at this diagram, there are 3 angles here. There's 2 little ones, and then there's 1 big one. So for any 2 angles that share a ray, the little angle measure plus the other little angle measure is going to equal the big angle measure. So we'll do this a lot. We'll kind of make this bracket looking thing where 31 and 26 are your little angles. So your big angle is just the combination of those two. It would be 57. Here's some easy examples. You have 3 angles here, 2 little ones and then the big one. The big one is angle HEF. So I'm just kind of marking that as the big angle. And the reason I'm doing that is because I know if I have the 2 little ones, then I can just add them to get the big one. Little plus little equals big. 52 plus 44 gives you the measure of angle HEF. It's 96. So in a diagram with 3 angles, they're giving you 2 of them, you got to find the other one. You're either going to add, or in a problem like this, where they tell you the big angle measure of angle QRS, that's this big angle. If the whole thing is 130, what's this other little angle going to equal if this one's 25? Something plus 25 gives you 130. So we're subtracting here. When you want to find the big angle, this is when you add. If they tell you the measure of the big angle, you're going to subtract. It's really that easy.